Another day, another story. As a language model, Chatgpt can help in app development in several ways. 1. Natural language processing, NLP. 2. Content generation. 3. Knowledge base integration. 4. Sentiment analysis. 5. Translation. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of study that focuses on the interaction between human language and computers. By integrating NLP capabilities using technologies like Chatgpt, developers can enable an app to understand and process natural language input from users. This allows users to interact with the app using natural language, making the app more intuitive and user-friendly. Some examples of NLP capabilities that can be integrated into an app using Chatgpt include intent recognition. Chatgpt can help an app recognize the user's intent behind their input, enabling the app to respond appropriately. Named entity recognition. Chatgpt can help an app identify and extract entities like names, dates, and locations from the user's input, making it easier for the app to understand the context of the user's request. Sentiment analysis. Chatgpt can be used to analyze the sentiment of the user's input, enabling the app to respond appropriately to positive or negative feedback. Overall, by integrating NLP capabilities using Chatgpt, developers can create more intelligent and user-friendly apps that can understand and respond to natural language input from users. Content generation is another area where Chatgpt can be beneficial in app development. Chatgpt is an advanced NLP model capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, developers can generate content for various app components, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and product descriptions. In the context of app development, content generation can be used to automate tasks that would otherwise require significant human effort, such as generating product descriptions or generating responses to frequently asked questions. For example, a chatbot could use Chatgpt to generate responses to user queries, providing a more personalized and engaging experience for the user. Chatgpt can help an app generate content by training on large amounts of text data and learning to generate coherent and contextually relevant text in response to specific prompts or input. Developers can fine-tune the model to generate content that is consistent with the app's tone and brand voice. Overall, content generation using Chatgpt can help an app save time and effort in creating high-quality content, providing a more efficient and cost-effective approach to content creation. Integrating a knowledge base into an app can be a valuable feature for providing users with quick and accurate answers to their questions. By leveraging technologies like Chatgpt, developers can build models that can analyze user queries and provide relevant answers from a knowledge base. In the context of app development, knowledge-based integration can be used in various applications, such as customer support, e-learning, and chatbots. For example, a customer support app could use Chatgpt to analyze user queries and provide relevant answers from a knowledge base, reducing the need for human support staff and improving response times. Knowledge-based integration. Chatgpt can help an app integrate a knowledge base by training on large amounts of text data and learning to identify relevant information in response to specific user queries. Chatgpt can also learn to handle variations in user language and phrasing, improving the accuracy of the answers provided. Overall, knowledge base integration using Chatgpt can help an app provide a more efficient and user-friendly way for users to access relevant information, reducing the need for manual searches and improving the overall user experience. Sentiment analysis is a crucial feature in app development, allowing developers to better understand the emotions and opinions of their user base. By leveraging technologies like Chatgpt, developers can build models that can analyze user input and determine the sentiment behind it. In the context of app development, sentiment analysis can be used in various applications, such as social media, customer feedback, and product reviews. For example, an e-commerce app could use Chatgpt to analyze customer feedback and product reviews, providing insights into the sentiment of their user base and identifying areas for improvement. Chatgpt can help an app perform sentiment analysis by training on large amounts of text data and learning to classify user input as positive, negative, or neutral. Chatgpt can also learn to handle variations in language and phrasing, improving the accuracy of the sentiment analysis. Overall, sentiment analysis using Chatgpt can help an app gain valuable insights into their user base and improve the overall user experience. By identifying areas for improvement, developers can make data-driven decisions that lead to a more user-friendly and engaging app. Translation. In the global economy, apps need to be accessible to a broad audience. Translation is an essential feature to break down language barriers and allow app users to interact with content regardless of their native language. By leveraging advanced NLP models such as Chatgpt, developers can build tools that can translate content into various languages. In the context of app development, translation using Chatgpt can be useful for different applications, such as e-commerce, social media, and customer support. For example, a social media app could use Chatgpt to translate user-generated content and provide a more inclusive and engaging experience for users around the world. Chatgpt can help an app translate content by training on a large amount of multilingual text data and learning to generate coherent and contextually relevant translations. Developers can fine-tune the model to ensure that translations are consistent with the app's tone and brand voice. Overall, translation using Chatgpt can help an app expand its user base and improve the overall user experience. By providing multilingual content, developers can break down language barriers and create a more inclusive and engaging app for users worldwide. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.